Hi everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having a great day. This is a continuation of looking at a pallet that I received of brand name overstock dresses. These dresses are overstock from a very well-known American department store. They're all brand new dresses. You have dresses by Adriana Papel, Calvin Klein, Tahari, Tommy Hilfiger, Artem Richards, City Studio, Jessica Howard, Ralph Lauren. Beautiful, beautiful designer branding dresses. So I'm going to show you some of the dresses that are in the palette. I have other videos as well, and I can send you pictures if you'd like. Orders are going to be packed with a variety of different brands, different styles, different colors, and different sizes, kind of like the way you're seeing in the video over here. This green dress is by Jessica Howard. We have a nice dress by Tommy Hilfiger. You can also buy by the pallet if you like. I could send you a manifest. You could see the entire contents of the pallet. Here we have a dress by Speechless, size 13, short social dress. Original retail price $69. I've seen dresses in the pallet that could go up to $300, $400, $495. They're pretty nice dresses. Here you have a red Calvin Klein dress, medium length dress. Next we have a beaded dress by Jump Apparel. As far as sizes, you can have sizes that go all the way from very small sizes. I've seen size 0 all the way up to size 24. The majority of the dresses I would say are good sizes. I would say from about 6 to size 18. Next we have a long Calvin Klein dress, size 14. Next we have a Betsey Johnson dress, size 8. Next we have a City Studio short party dress. Next we have a super elegant dress with beads by Escape. Here's a Jessica Howard dress, size 6. Now we have a Betsey Johnson dress. Let's look at the size. It's size 16. Alright, and this is a sample of the type of dresses that you would receive in this palette. Keep in mind every palette can have a different variety of dresses, different brands, styles, colors, and sizes. If you have any questions or comments, definitely let me know. Thank you for watching. My cell phone, which is also my WhatsApp number, is 1-917-913-6093. I ship throughout the world. I could refer you to different freight forwarders that can give you discounted rates as compared to some of the major shipping companies. And I have other items as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.